Okay, let me set f of x to be that polynomial. So f of x, a function, that's the polynomial. Write down the rational roots, plus or minus. The factors of 9, that's the constant, divided by the coefficient on the x cubed term, which is the factors added 1. So what do you get? You get really simple possible roots. There's only going to be 6 of them. They're called candidate rational roots. It could either be plus 1 or minus 1, plus 3 or minus 3, plus 9 or minus 9. And then, kind of looking at it, if you said f of 1, you get 1 minus 9, which is minus 8, plus 15. There's no way 1's going to work. You could try minus 1. And if you tried minus 1, what do you get? You get minus 3, minus 9. Definitely not going to work, all right? Then you go on to 3. 3 is a little more challenging, by the way. I'll write this one down for you. You're going to get 27, let's see, minus 81 plus 45 plus 9. Let's take a look at that. And let's see, 27, 36, 81. This gives me 0. So now I know a factor. So if 3 is a root, the factor must be x minus 3. Okay, what are you going to do now? Long division. X minus 3 divide into, and this is going to be x cubed minus 9x squared plus 15x plus 9. And this division is going to go very nicely, remainder 0. So x squared, that gives you x cubed minus 3x squared, subtract. I like to drop all the places down. Minus 6x squared plus 18x, subtract. And that would be minus 3. And what do you get? Minus 3x plus 9, remainder 0. So I found the other factor. And what's the other factor? X squared minus 6x minus 3. I'm just going to get my eraser out, get rid of some of the distractions over here. That's a distraction, and this is a distraction. So if I were looking at this thing, that quadratic is not going to factor using finger numbers. It's just not going to happen. So there's only one rational root to the problem, and that's 3. The other ones are going to be irrational. We haven't gotten to that stage yet, but we will get there. We'll be able to factor that quadratic, right? But we don't have the numbers yet, or the technique. All right, let me look at the key, though. And the key, what I'm looking at, possible rational roots. Remember, we wrote those down before. I did try. I found x equals 3 is a root. That means it produces 0. That means you got a factor of x minus 3. And then I do basically long division. How do you do long division? You do long division. You get this over here, and I'm getting the same thing I got over here. So we're looking pretty good. Thank you.